Okay, everybody. I got them all in there now. You can see how I got it gusseted here. Oh, it's still a little warm. Oh, I got some slag BB right there. I got to get out of it still. But anyway, you can see how I got it gusseted here, back up, and a full weld all the way around that, all the way around that. I got a good weld up inside there. A little warm. Still left a little gusset on here. And I added a cap piece here and filled it all the way in, so it ties it right into that main cross member all the way. Whew, it's warm. Anyway, my top one here, you seen me burn that one in. That gives a good triangulation there. And this piece, you can see, is tied in all the way across. I gotta blow that all out. I still got a lot of slag clean up. You do get a little slag. What these BBs are from is from the paint residue. I didn't quite get enough of that paint off. I wish they would have left them raw. Anyway, she's welded all the way around now, underneath, all the way around on that side, tying it into the cross member and the frame with that triangulation and that gusset inside of there. That sucker ain't going nowhere. And the test is a big MF. Ain't going nowhere. Now I got hammer marks in there too to get it kind of, make it look little factory. There we go. Put some nice divots in there. What those are, signature marks now. All right. Inspected by BareRose Garage. She'll hold a little bit, maybe. She'll hold until she won't, right? Anyway, again, I apologize about that other video. I'm going to try to get this all together and out ASAP for y'all, all right? So in the meantime, get out there and keep that metal hot.